Want to invest in cryptocurrency but don't know where to start? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos safely, step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, stay tuned. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more crypto tips. Before you jump into crypto investing, here's what you'll need. A crypto wallet. This is where you store your crypto. You can use a hot wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, or a cold wallet like Ledger for extra security. A crypto exchange account. This is where you'll buy crypto. Popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Bybit. A payment method. Most exchanges let you buy crypto using a credit card, debit card, bank transfer, or even PayPal. Now, let's buy some crypto. Here's a step-by-step guide to buying Bitcoin or Ethereum. Sign up on a crypto exchange. Go to Binance, Coinbase, or your preferred exchange, and create an account. Verify your identity. Most platforms require KYC, Know Your Customer, verification. Upload your ID and wait for approval. Deposit funds. Add money using a bank transfer, credit card, or PayPal. Buy your crypto. Go to the Buy and Sell section. Choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin, and place your order. Store it safely. For long-term holding, transfer your crypto to a secure wallet instead of keeping it on the exchange. And just like that, you own cryptocurrency. Now that you own crypto, let's talk about how to invest wisely. HODLing. Buy and hold for the long term. Best for beginners. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Invest a small amount regularly instead of all at once to reduce risk. Trading. Buying low and selling high, but this requires skill and experience. Remember, crypto is volatile, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. And that's it. Now you know how to buy and invest in crypto like a pro. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. What's the first crypto you're buying? Drop a comment below.